them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit?
We're gonna get down to the tea, okay? Because this is what we do here. We get free gems. We don't make nobody pay for a course here. Respectfully. Girlies, get your money. Get your money, sis. But I'm just saying though, like for me, it's free on this side. And all you gotta do is click that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to comment. Let me know. Come join the fam. I don't bite, you know? And even if I could, how? We're gonna get into the fun parts. We're gonna be getting into the creativities of this video, which is how to basically earn on TikTok as requested. Of course, pink down. How y'all doing? Hope y'all good. And if y'all not good, it's okay. Everybody is going through something in life, okay? Just pat yourself on the back for the things that you accomplished. You made it this far. Yay! Amen to that. Woo! Give yourself a little credit, okay? Because you deserve some credit, okay? Thank you. Stop being so hard on yourself. Alright? Moving forward. TikTok pays. And TikTok pays in multiple ways. And I'm going to show you a couple of them. If you don't know me, I go by Teddy Bell. And I'm a music / content creator / artist / dancer / business owner / entrepreneur / like just know, like, the list can go on. The channel where I can be able to express my creativity. I have 636k followers. This is just to give you an idea of how many followers I have on TikTok, so you guys can know exactly what I'm able to do and what I could do and stuff like that. This is when you get to, I mean, over 10k, you start to get like certain things on TikTok, but there are also some challenges that requires you to have at least 100k and up to be qualified for a certain thing. Me, I honestly don't know which one is which to qualify. I'm gonna just say everything that's basically on my account, but I don't know exactly, you know, like you feel me? So yeah, one way you could earn money on TikTok is basically requesting samples from brands. What they do is they look over your page and stuff like that and see if they would accept it or decline it. And when they do accept it, they go ahead and ship you that product for free. And then you basically, all you have to do is upload you using the product or showing the product, and then post that on your TikTok account. And then you tag the product. You tag it before you post it. Let me put that in order before y'all think it's the other way around. You tag the product and then you post the video. And the way you could do that is go through Showcase. And then you basically have to add the product that they sent to you to your showcase, which normally 9 out of 10, they already like add it to your showcase when you do request that sample. After that, you basically get commission. You get commission based on your sales. So every time somebody sees that video and then they click on it through your video and they make a purchase for that product that you're promoting through your video, you make a commission, and that depends on you and the brand. Sometimes they can give you 10%, sometimes they can give you 30%. It all depends on your negotiations. You can always message them too, and if because sometimes it's already like in set, like how much is the commission that they're offering you, but you can negotiate because there's a negotiate button right next to the percentage sign. So like when you see that, just put negotiate and then just enter your amount. Then after that, you submit it and then they ship it to you. It gets shipped. Make sure you update your address for your shipping, like where you want them to send the products. You have to manually put that, but if you didn't do that already on your account, then you should be fine. Or like if you have a PO box, you know, like moi, you know, you can go ahead and just put your PO box in there, and then they ship it to you depending on what size is your PO box. If you get the big one, then you basically get pretty much almost any type of shipping. You know, you could post the video multiple times and you could tag the product multiple times. The more you do it, the more sales you get, because every video reaches differently to the algorithm and your audience. So it branches out to different people every time you post a video, to be honest. That's just how the algorithm works. And the more you can describe your videos, the better, because then the algorithm will basically know where to place your videos on people who basically searches for content like this. Another way you can earn from TikTok is basically music. I know you guys be seeing like a lot of trends and but a lot of these trends is because, especially when they come from artists, is basically people who's trying to push out their music through TikTok so people can make a challenge or dance to it so it can keep pushing out. Okay, so what the artists do is basically they put themselves in a campaign where they would say, yeah, I'm an artist and I'm trying to push this song. What song? They upload the song through DistroKid or whatever their music distribution is, and then they obviously get it through TikTok because they select that option. So then they would select that as the sound, and then they'll know that you were the creator of the sound, so they'll make you the official creator of that sound, like you're the artist. And then they'll put like looking for people to create a TikTok challenge. If they already have an example of how it goes, they'll upload the video so you can see the challenge, so you can go ahead and do that and copy the same moves if it's a dance or whatever the case may be, whatever video that they show you, because it could be different every single time. And from there they'll say, okay, if you do this challenge and you use my sound, I will pay you da 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 da. So that's another way you can earn money, and that's through artist campaign. I barely be doing them anyway because like I slowed down on TikTok, but I'm trying to get back a little bit active on there again. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have another nose piercing. Woo! I have to wait till it heals so I can put a hoop on it, just like this one. This is the one I got first, and then this is the one I got like I think like a week and a half ago, not too long ago. I feel like I could do this to my nose. Another way you can earn from TikTok is through videos on the main page. You don't have to tap anything for that. They already qualified you to be a participant of the Creators Fund program or whatever, then you already have it and you're already set to go. And if not, then you're probably gonna have to go in your settings and activate it. 9 out of 10, once you reach the requirements that they asked for to participate on your feed, it normally pops up in your activities. If you guys want more of a detailed, in-depth tutorial, just let me know. This is something I'm throwing out there just based off of what I'm saying. I'm just doing this video for people who already kind of like understands the concept and that just wants to get straight to the point. But if you are a beginner, no worries, I can do a beginner or more beginner friendly video to really break down and screen record how to get to certain pages and how to apply, how to earn money from the challenges and the campaigns that they give you. This video is more so also to see like who needs what and type of information before I go ahead and I make another video about it. If you post videos that's 1 minute or longer or longer, TikTok basically pays you your per minute roll thing, the rate per minute. I don't know if it's minute, but I think it's minute, but I'm not 100% on that. But that's basically what they break down to say how much money you're earning every time your video hits 1,000. For example, 25 cents every time you hit 1,000 views, so your RPM is gonna be 25 cents. If your video gets 4,000 views, then make the math. 25 times 4 is $1. If your video goes literally viral, which is the goal because you want it to escalate so that you could get paid more, because the more views you get, and no ads, guys, do not do ads on your account. I'm just gonna turn on that right now. That shit will fuck up your account. But yeah, if y'all really want me to get in depth about that, just let me know in the comments, okay? So I had a video I posted of me and my cat because we always just fighting. We got this like love and hate relationship, and I tend to post that on TikTok because TikTok they just love our relationship. Those videos tend to go a bit viral. So there was this one video of me and Kisses, and I was eating and she was just fighting with me, like, and I'm like, all right, bro, you want to square up? Because we always square up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, I'm always squaring up with my cat. People be asking me, am I weird? I am. Leave me alone. If you don't have a cat, if you don't own a cat, then you can't say shit. You can't say shit. Nothing you can say. If you don't have a cat, you can't say shit. You're just not gonna understand. You're just not gonna understand. You're just not. You're gonna probably look at me like, but no. You don't have a cat, you don't understand. Because those who have a cat understands. And if you have a cat, drop a cat emoji with a heart. Let me know you have a cat. You can join a cat community or whatnot. But yeah, my camera is dying. Yeah, so yeah, that's another way you can get basically paid on TikTok. So through your videos, as long as it's 1 minute and it has to be original content. You cannot add music of anyway because it'll copyright, so those don't qualify. It has a list. When you click on it, it'll basically tell you like what's qualified and what's not qualified. So make sure you guys follow those rules so your video can get qualified, because not every video gets qualified, just so you know. So when you do have that one that's qualified, you're like, yes. And then when they get a lot of views, you're like, yes. But yeah, I got paid basically 1.4K on a video that had 1.2, 1.3 mil, 1.4 mil, I think. I just want proof of that. I'll just screenshot it and I'll just put it right here while I'm talking, because a lady likes to back up her words. Like I said, this is a free video. I'm not trying to sell y'all a course. Like, I'm literally telling y'all exactly what it is, and that's the proof right there that I can show you guys. If you don't want to believe it, then hey, then don't. But yeah, that's just the facts though. So you can really make money on TikTok. That's just a proof. It's so much ways. It's so much ways. And on top of that, like, you could reach out to other brands off the TikTok, like the TikTok platform, and reach out to brands and be like, yo, I got 600K, like, I'm pitching you this. I could post this video. Send me a wig or whatever. Like, send me some pieces of clothing or something. Like, send me some shoes. I'll promote it on my TikTok, and you'll pay me this and pay me that. They be accepting PayPal, and you know, PayPal is your best friend, but you want to put it under friends and family. You don't want it under business because they take a percentage fee. When you do your payouts from your phone, you don't want for them to send it to PayPal. It's better if you do like a regular debit card, because the fee that they take from both is totally different. They take way more from PayPal than it is to transfer it to your bank. On your bank it says like 5 cents, and on PayPal it's like $2 and some change, $3 and some change, depending on the amount that you're getting back, because they take a percentage. 5 cents with my bank account, my regular bank account, oh yeah, I'm gonna deposit it on that because it's only 5 cents. Like, you paying me this, and all I gotta do is pay 5 cents, get 5 cents deducted off of what y'all about to pay me. It'll still gotta come out of my pocket. Bring it along. Bring it along. Bring it along, because it's better than PayPal. Sorry. But yeah. You could do like wig collaborations if you're like in a wig game. Like, there's a lot of shit that you could do. The money is there. You just gotta look for it, okay? Because if you want to be lazy and be like, oh, but I don't got this, but I don't got that, baby, use your phone. Like, you don't need a professional camera. TikTok can blow up like crazy. Like, you get mad followers on that bitch, like, depending on how consistent you are, or like what type of content like is relevant, like that actually want to educate people. Those actually do the best, because it's obviously something that somebody would want to know, and you're answering it for them, whatever. Yeah, okay, yeah. Like, I got like mad drafts in my TikTok account. It's a lot of drafts in here. If you want your video to look a certain way, you just gotta invest into your craft, you know, and then just start working your way from there. Just keep building, keep looking, keep educating yourselves, you know, for things that you want to like get more into, because the more you educate yourself on your field, like, the better you will become, because somebody will probably say something that you never knew, and now that you know, you can apply it to your movements and stuff like that, whatever that can basically benefit yourself. Yeah, TikTok is a really good platform, to be honest. Like, it makes you a lot of money more now, because TikTok back then, oh my gosh, TikTok back then will literally pay you $20 per 1 million view. Per 1 million view, $20. I mean, back then, when you really have some successful videos, which I've had in the past, I got paid out a pretty hefty amount. Ain't no such thing as, oh, that's not enough money. Or money is money. If you're getting money, no matter the amount, it adds up. It's all about how you save your money in order for it to keep stacking up, okay? And that has nothing to do with me. That sounds like a personal problem. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I congratulate you, because you are somebody who is motivated and willing to learn, because it takes a lot of motivation for you to go on YouTube and start searching up what you searched up in order for you to find my video. And now that you guys have learned hopefully something out of this video, and if not, I truly do apologize. Like, if I wasted your time and everything that I said you already knew, but if I didn't and you did learn something from this video, please give it a like. Let me know what you learned. Maybe teach me something, you know. It's not always about me teaching you guys. I would like for you guys to teach me too. You know, learning is key. Like, education is key. I think there's a lot of growth into that, and you know, that really makes you the person who you are. And if you want to better yourself, I mean, who doesn't want to better themselves? There's always an opportunity to better yourself, you know, because you're doing it for you at the end of the day, and it's gonna benefit you maybe in the long run or whatever. Tune in to your loved ones. Let your loved ones know that you love them. Try to do it every day if you can, no matter what. Unity is the best way. Try to stay positive, y'all. Anyway, good talk. Hope y'all learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I post a new video, so you guys don't get any missed, oh, I missed this video, oh, I missed that video, damn, you posted that. Yeah, you're not gonna get none of that no more, just by turning on that bell and putting all notifications. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure y'all let me know what else y'all want me to talk about, or what else you want me to like give y'all some free gems on, based on my lifestyle, based on what you see on my Instagram, on my TikTok. Everything that I'm listing right now, my socials will be linked in my description box always. Promise, it's gonna be there. And I'll try to make a video and answer all of your questions, so that'll be really cool. If you already subscribed, much love to you. Thank you for joining the family. And if you just now subscribed, thank you for joining, and I promise you, you won't regret it here. More to come, period. And then yeah, so bye guys.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.